It's Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check for updates on your Lenovo tablet. So we can just swipe down from top right, go to settings, scroll all the way down to about tablet right here, then we can go to system update and we can just check for system updates, see if we have anything available for us right there. So we got our update settings as well, we got auto update turned on, so that's good. And there might be additional settings under here that we can just update or something like that. So we can try clicking on this software version, Android version. And it looks like we have the latest Google Play system update right here. We can check for update. Another thing that you can do is go to the Google Play Store. Not now. And if we want to update our apps as well, we can go to the top right. And we can click Manage Apps on Device. And then we can go to Updates. And we can update all our apps now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.